All right, just a quick video on the muscadine vine. Of course, them fruits aren't ready yet. They will be ready when they turn like dark purple. But look at that. This is just an overgrown vine that I haven't gotten rid of. But look at the production of that thing. It's growing on a cherry plum tree. Look at it. Every home, every yard, every homestead should have a muscadine vine. Several muscadine vines. Look at all the production. Crazy. Look down there. Look at all that down there. That's all muscadine in my yard. All muscadine. I let it just kind of like take over stuff. All muscadine, tons of it. And you pull the leaves back and just fruit everywhere, see? Just do that throughout and there's fruit throughout. It's just everywhere. Everywhere. It is a low maintenance. The only maintenance you really do to it is cut it back and keep it from taking over stuff. Otherwise, you just leave it be. You don't have to water it. You don't have to do nothing to it. It is a self-sustaining, maintaining vine that produces delicious fruit. All that is just loaded. Loaded. That's it. Get yourself a muscadine vine. Plant that beast in your yard. See, now this is just a couple of single vines that have grown over here on this little patch of woods. But look, when you get to looking, lifting up leaves and stuff, it's just crazy, the production. Anyway, that's it. I thought I'd give you a little shot of this muscadine production. And I love muscadines. Love them. Anyway, we will see you on the next one. Free food.